In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in OneNote, step by step. Strikethrough is a useful formatting tool in OneNote that allows you to mark tasks as completed, track edits, or visually de-emphasize text without deleting it. It's perfect for keeping your notes organized, whether you're managing work projects, school assignments, or personal lists. To begin, open the OneNote desktop application on your computer. Any recent version will work, and it doesn't matter which notebook you're in. Allow the app a few moments to fully load your notebooks to ensure any changes sync properly. Once OneNote is ready, start by typing the text you want to strike through. You can enter a new line, create a to-do item, jot down a note, or even use existing text already on the page. The method works for single words, full sentences, or entire paragraphs. Next, highlight the text you want to format. You can click and drag your mouse across the words, double-click to select a single word, or use keyboard shortcuts for more precise selection. Holding Shift while pressing the arrow keys lets you expand your selection one character or word at a time. If you want to select all text in a section, use the standard Select All command. Make sure your text is clearly highlighted before proceeding. With your text selected, press Ctrl and the hyphen key on your main keyboard row together. Hold Ctrl first, then tap the hyphen key once. A line will appear through the middle of the text, indicating that strikethrough has been applied. Pressing the same shortcut again will toggle it off, so you can easily mark items complete and then restore them if needed. If nothing happens, check that the text is highlighted correctly and that you are using the hyphen on the main keyboard row, not the numeric keypad. Ensure your cursor is in the note itself, not in the title bar, and press the key firmly to avoid typing an underscore by mistake. For those using different platforms, equivalent keyboard shortcuts are often available, and you can also find a strike-through button on the formatting toolbar if you prefer clicking over using the keyboard. And that's it. Open OneNote, type your text, highlight it, and press Ctrl plus hyphen to quickly apply strike-through. It's a simple, fast, and effective way to keep your notes organized and visually clear. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so